Welcome back to CAS103, Windows 7, Columbia Gorge Community College, The Dalles, Oregon. Instructor, Linda Hughitt. You've arrived in Moodle. You've gotten logged in, and you've probably gone down far enough to find the Start Here video, because that's what you're going to be watching right now. Let's talk about what else you find when you arrive on this page. You find this big box over on this side. This is the most important part of the page. Now, this box does change each term a little bit, gets edited, maybe colors change, a little changes are made here and there, but they're all fairly minor. This is the box you're going to want to focus on. It gives you your book, it gives you my email address, it gives you the course information, it talks about the different topics, various things, but there are some other things on this side that's nice to know about. The library homepage can be very important too. It gives you the current hours for the library that do change term by term. And so you want to make sure you know when you can use the library machines if you don't have your own Windows 7 machine, or in case of a crisis, they can happen. It's nice to know what your backup hours and times are. These navigation panes can open and close. And when I close it that way, maybe it was an accident, I've lost it, I'm all panicked. Well, it went over here, and all I have to do is come back and ask it to put it back over there. So watch this side if something goes away, and you can put it back over here. You pretty much can get through the whole term without really looking at any of this. This is pretty much extra for you. Read down through here, and now you're into the Start Here section. You should go through and read the course syllabus. Will send you, or have already sent you, an email copy of it as well. Course goals, grading information, due dates are sent in Moodle each time. Netiquette, if you've not done anything with online courses before and you're not really sure, you need to take a few minutes and look over the Netiquette, which are basically common courtesies and rules and guidelines for in-class online behavior. Instructor's forum is going to be one of your big areas. You should be checking it 2 to 3 times a week. And it will send you emails each time I post. That's my area that I post to you. You may reply to me, but please don't make new starts there. And the idea is if there are any announcements, changes, revisions, any information that you need to have about the course, that's where you're going to be finding it. So you can go in there and look and check each day. And you need to watch for the emails that come through. Coffee shop area is more your area. You have a face-to-face class. You want to see if you can hitch a ride with somebody. You can post in there. It's not where you ask questions that you would like me to answer. You need to use this email address and send it to me. We do not use the Moodle messaging. And if you do, I may or may not get it. Moodle messaging, at least up to this point, has been sort of 50-50. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't get it. Course resources, ADA disability information, some tech support, distance learning. The CAS tutoring is a good one to focus in on. It changes every term, so I will update that each term so you have the current information. But often, and for the last few years, each term there's been some sort of CAS tutoring offered for our courses. Information about student services, textbook site, how to correct your name or email address in Moodle. It's really important that your email with student services and your email with Moodle match, so that we're not sending things to multiple accounts and you're missing getting things. The other thing that's really important is your name matches. If you are Smith but you've just gotten married and your name is now Jones, and you enter yourself into the class as Jones but student service still has you as Smith, I can't put you into the class. And even if I can put you in the class or choose to put you in the class, I can't give you a grade as long as the names are different. So you either have to match your Moodle name to your student services name, or you need to update your student services. And that's fairly easy to do. We'll just take a quick second and go in here. See where it says my profile? Click into my profile. You can view your profile. And when you get in the profile, you can update that, go through and change it any. And so you can customize this page even. So it gives you ways to go in there and make your changes that you need to do. So if you don't have things up to date, that is the place to go in and make your changes. So back to where we were. We're back on the home page. Whoops, I went too far to home page. I have to go back in a slightly different way right now than what you will go into normally. So sort of close your eyes for half a second here while I get back into the class. And there we go, we're back in. Now, as you go down through here, you're going to want to be sure you're reading through all of this and you make sure you have your information ready. That will take us then into the first week of class, which will be our next video.